Good morning, everyone. My name is Ivy.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Fiona.
We are from CNBM. Today, Fiona and me will introduce you products from CNBM.
Yes, today we will talk about the packing type, such as BOPP type, masking type, close type, reflective type, and the sealing type.
During the following 50 minutes, if you have any question, you can leave a message and our staff will come to you.
Yes, your question is very important for us. Please leave a message to us. We prepared a small gift and a free sample for you.
And in the following 10 days, we will be here with you for 50 minutes one day. And during this time, if you place order, we will give you big discount.
Yes, that's really attractive. Yes. Okay. If you have any idea, please leave a message to us. Your idea is very important for us.
Okay.
Okay. Next, we will introduce.
Before the introduction of the products, we first come to a brief of our company. CNBM Group stands for China National Building Material Group Corporation, and it is a state-owned corporation under the direct supervision of the State Council. And CNBM is also the largest comprehensive building materials industry group in China, and one of the Fortune Global 500 companies for 8 consecutive years.
Actually, our company have a cooperation with 120 customers from different countries. So we hope you can be one partner with us. Okay. Next, will be introduce the BOPP type. Please, Ivy.
Yes. The first product we will share with you is BOPP packing tape. As you can see from the table, we have many types of BOPP packing tape here. Like this one is clear one,
yeah,
and this one is the brown one. We also call it tan. And these two colors are the most popular colors in the market. And also we have many colors like black, red, yellow, blue, white, and green. And also you can print your logo as this one, print your logo on the tape.
And you can print on the paper cut. You can see the paper cut. Yeah.
And also we have a super clear tape as this one. You can print your logo inside this one and inside this paper cut. And let's try some of the samples here.
Okay, I can help you.
Yes, this one is the.
This one is the regular one. You can see the yes.
low yes. Noise one.
This one is noise.
Yes.
Okay, you can see. We can pull a regular one first. You can hear the noise.
You can hear
it.
There is some noise from this tape, but this one
you can see. I think you can hear a little noise and almost don't hear anything.
Yes, that's the difference. So if you have a big factory with many workers inside, you can use the low noise tape.
Yes.
So it's better protect the hearing of your worker.
It's good for worker. But the price is different, so it depends on market and your inquiry.
And also you can see from this one.
Yeah.
From this one, this normal one.
Yes.
From this one and this one. This is a normal standard one, but this one is super clear. Yes. So from the surface, you can see crystal clear everything inside the tape. Yes. So it's better looking.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you can see it. Your logo can print in this side, the paper cut. So you can see the logo in cross of the tape.
Yes.
It looks more nice.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, this is some specification of the packing type, different thickness and different size.
This BOPP packing tape is the most popular type of adhesive tape in the market, and it is widely used for carton sealing, packing, bonding, and anywhere you may need to pack things. You can see it in your house, in the market, in the office, at school, and anywhere. And for this item, our jumbo size is 1.28 meters times 4,000 meters. And this is the big jumbo roll. After splitting or rewinding and cutting, you get the standard cut rolls of 48 millimeter times 66 meters.
Yes, it's jumbo.
And for standard thickness, we have 40, 45,
yes.
50, 55, and even 60 micron.
Yes.
The adhesive, the most basic adhesive is water-based acrylic, but we can also do hot melt and solvent-based acrylic as some customer required. Okay, next move to masking tape.
Masking tape, okay. The next one. I have a question. Have you ever seen the masking tape before in the store or in the supermarket?
Yes, we have a lot of masking tape in the supermarket.
I think almost people see it before, that you can see we can supply different colors, and you can choose any color if you want, and if you give us the Pantone color number, we can make it for you as your inquiry, and different packing like this. Okay, next question. Do you know how to use it? I have a question for you. Do you have ever painted something before?
No, I haven't personally, but I can see that some friends in some other countries, they would like to paint the house and the furniture themselves.
Yes.
It's kind of interesting.
Yes, it's interesting. If you want to paint something, such as your wall, the furniture, and some shoes factory, they must use the masking tape and cover the main part, and you paint other part. So I have the masking tape have another main function. I know you have a car.
Yes.
Have you ever fixed it before?
And I don't use the masking tape myself, but I have a lot of problems with the painting.
Yes. In the car workshop, so many workers will be use the masking tape because our car and the car something, you must use the masking tape to cover it and paint it. But we can supply different temperature, such as 60 degree, 80 degree, 100 degree, and 120 degree. It depends on the machine, and we can supply different classes and different temperature for you.
Yes, that requires very high technology on the temperature resistance.
Some equipment have require about the temperature about 120. It's a high requirement, but we can supply it. Okay, you can see some specification of our masking tape. And you can see the different temperature. Yes.
Because this tape is made of crepit paper, and the adhesive is rubber. So this tape is very environmental friendly.
Yes. Okay, I will show you the next one. Can you see it? It's the blue one. The blue one is a UV resistance masking tape. Do you know how to use it?
UV resistance, it must be outside door, right?
Yes. Because we use it in the outside. Because the sunshine is too much, so we must use this one. We have two cans. One is the 7 days UV resistance. Another is 14 days UV resistance.
Yes.
It depends on your choice.
That means even in outside door, when the sun is very
very strong,
the tape can stay very good performance.
Yes. Then I can show you the packing. You can see the packing. It's very lovely. Yes. This packing we can make 1 row shape, and we can make 6 rows. And yes, this
is 1 row per shrink.
Yes, it's 5 rows. it all depends on you. The packing and how many rows in one carton, how many rows in one sheet, it depends on you.
Yes, we can do any packing requirement as you like.
Yes, the paper cup can print your logo and your information on the paper cup. It's more professional.
Okay.
Okay, the next one we will introduce about the close tape.
These are some pictures and the application of masking tape.
Yes.
Next item I will share with you is packing tape. In some countries, it's also called DUCT tape.
Yes.
This packing tape is also a very frequently used tape when you pack things in your daily life. Compared to BOPP packing tape, this close tape, because it's made of cloth, so it's more environmental friendly.
Yeah. Which one?
This one. As you can see from our table,
Yes, this one, regular one. So many color and so many different design of the close tape.
as you can see from the table, this one is the most regular color. We call it gray or silver.
It's more popular.
And this one is the black color. These two colors are the most commonly used colors in the market. But also, we can do many other colors as you like, as the customer required. And also, this tape usually packed one row per shrink.
Yeah. And you can have a card, your design card in the top.
And as you can see, because this tape is made of cotton cloth,
Yes.
so as you can see from the cotton cloth lines, the tape differs according to the lines, and these lines we call it mesh. The bigger the mesh, the more thick the tape will be. We have meshes as 27, 35, 50, and 70, and the thickness we usually have 150 to 300 micron.
Yes.
And because of the mesh of the cloth, the tape can be easily torn. You can see.
Can I try?
Yes. It can be easily torn from both sides, even from both sides. So that makes it very convenient when you pack things. You no longer leave knives and
yes, just use
scissor.
your hand.
Yes, just to use your hand. And it's very environmental friendly. And also, you can do printing on the surface of the tape. For instance, one of our customer is a bacon seller. He sells bacon, and he prints the bacon on the surface of the tape, makes the tape looks like a piece of bacon.
Yes.
So when you pack it on the carton, it's very, very easy to recognize that the company sells bacon. And what's special of our close tape is that we have hot melt adhesive and rubber-based adhesive. For rubber-based adhesive tape, we have different thickness up to 300 micron. This is very, very special of our company. Not all companies in China can do that. And for this rubber-based 300 micron close tape, it's very popular in countries like Australia and Canada. Yes. We have a lot of customers in Canada.
Country.
Yes.
I think the match is 70 is very high.
Yeah, 70 is the highest.
Yes, it's more stronger.
And for this item, our jumbo is 1.02 meters times 1,000 meters. For cut rows, we can have any cut rows, long ones and small rows for your market. That's all for close tape.
Yes,
and now let's move to.
I think this close tape looks very nice.
Yes, different kind of printing.
Yes, different picture on it and different design.
Yes.
You can put it on.
Now next move to this is some
This function
application of our close tape. And for close tape, we also have cotton close tape, which we is a different surface as this one, and match surface for close tape for stage. Sometimes from stage.
I think it's popular in US.
Yes, this tape is very popular in the United States.
Yeah.
And now let's move to protective film.
Yes, I will show you protective film. You can see. This one, all the protective film. You look have color, but it's clear. It's not with color in here. If you pull it, you can see it's clear.
This is low adhesion, right?
Right. We supply the PE protective film. The material is PE film. We can make different adhesion. You can see this one is a low. Yes, this one is lower. It's really lower adhesion, right? Yes, and how can you choose what kinds of adhesion do you use it? I think it depends on the surface. If the surface is smooth, you can choose the low adhesion. If the surface and have a little difference between others, you can choose the medium and the high adhesion. Yes.
This one is more sticky than this one.
Yes, yes. So many customers sometimes can send us the sample for us, and just send your sample, show me the surface. We can test it and can give you some advice, and you can use our sample to test it and choose which one is suitable for you.
And for this one is the double color. This side is white, this side is black, white and black, and we can also do printing on the surface.
Yes.
And even if it's a high adhesion, there will be no residue on the surface when you remove the film.
Yes, I think this one is suitable for the glass industry. Some glass industry will be use it and to put it on the side of glass will be popular use this one. And some the metal such as steel and will be use this one and to put it on the surface can protect and the metal surface is very good.
Yes. Okay. That's the protective film.
Yes, it's black and white.
And we also can do solvent acrylic, water-based acrylic.
Yes, the adhesive depends on you. And some countries customer prefer the solvent, and some countries customer prefer the water-based acrylic. It all depends on the market.
And we also have different thickness.
Yes, the thickness is from the 30 to 150 micron. And we can supply the jumbo roll and the catch roll. It depends on you.
Okay.
Yes, you
this
can
one
see some
white and black.
It's just like this one. It's almost same.
The PE protective film, we have different
Yes.
adhesion, medium stick,
Yeah.
low stick, and colorful. We can do any color as you like. And these are some applications for the protective film.
Yes, I think almost people buy the protective film. They will have a small machine can put it on, and sometimes you can show me the machine's size and the machine's inquiry. I think it will be more better for you.
Yes. Okay, it's a very similar product as the stretch film.
Yes.
It's also made of PE material, and we have different thickness from 18 micron to 50 micron. For this PE stretch film, the difference from protective film is that we don't have any glue on the film. And we have two kinds, hand operation and machine operation. For hand operation, it's very small rolls, and for machine operation, we can do 1.5 meter very big rolls for machine to use it. And the color is usually crystal clear. And paper core, we can do 76 millimeter as customer required.
Yes, I think some customer use the by hand operate, and I think almost the people use it by machine will be more quantity.
Yes, for hand operation PE stretch film, you can use it at your home,
Yes,
in the office,
because
etc.
yes, because the work use the time is different. Use the machine will be more convenient, and the time will be fast.
Yes.
And more suitable for the factory.
These are some application pictures for the PE stretch film. When you pack the pallets in your factory, it's very commonly used. We use it ourselves as well when we pack the products for our customers.
I think I can recognize the number.
Yes, that's one of our order.
Yes. Maybe one of your order.
Yes, yes. And the next product is reflective tape.
Yes.
For reflective tape, as you can see from the pictures, we have many different kinds of reflective tape. One color, single color, and
you can show it?
Yes. For the reflective tape, we have different kind of backing material as the PVC based and PET film based and acrylic based and PC based. Acrylic based is the most expensive and best quality, similar to 3M. And these ones are the acrylic based acrylic material. As you can see, it's very shiny and it shines in the dark. And we have different kind of colors, and we can also do white and red for printing with dot 2, white and black with dot 2 printing, very special. And for this item, we usually use for advertisement board and for trucks.
Yes, I think I see many trucks have a little.
Yes, yes, and for the transportation marks alongside the road.
Some the floor.
Yes.
Maybe have it.
Okay.
You can see the light.
Next one.
Yes, it's a ceiling tape. I think it's the new tape, and it's the new one and popular one in just right now. As you know, coronavirus and in this time it's very very bad for our life, and so many doctor, nurse, they will be always wear the protective clothes. So the ceiling tape will be in the middle of the joint. Yes, the carrier is PEVA film, and the adhesive is rubber. It's a very very good quality rubber.
It's used to seam the joint on your protective clothes, so the doctors will be better protected from the virus.
Yes, you can see this one. This one is the ceiling tape. It's no adhesive in here. You can see it's no adhesion, right? Okay. We put it in the joint of the clothes and make the temperature high. They will put it on the clothes. Yes, can you know it? It's really popular in some countries and just in right now.
This product is a newly born product during this special time. So if any customers are interested in this item, you can leave a message, and our staff will come to you for quotation.
I think your message is very important for us. Please feel free to let us know.
Okay. And because maybe there are some new customers coming to our room,
Yes.
so we would like to start over from
About the
BOPP.
BOPP
Yeah,
tab is, I think it's more better. It's used more popular to everywhere and every home and every factory. Yes, we can go back in BOPP tab.
The first item, that's the most popular item we talk about, is BOPP packing tape.
Yes.
Okay. As you can see from our table, we have many colors of BOPP packing tapes here, like these two. This one is the clear one and the tan one, brown one. These two colors are the most popular colors in the market. But also, we can do many other colors, colorful colors, as the red, black, yellow, blue, etc. Any colors as you required. And we also can do printing on the tape, on the surface of the tape as you like. You can print your logo on the tape, or on the paper core, both okay.
Yes, you can also give us the pendle number. We can make it as your inquiry.
Yes.
I think it's really good for customer.
And we also have a standard packing tape and low noise packing tape and super clear packing tape here. As you can see, these two are special tapes. This one is the crystal clear. This one is the low noise.
Yes.
First, we compare these two.
Can I help you?
Yes. This one is low noise. This one is the usual common. As you can see, there is some noise from the tape. But for this one,
yes, you can hear.
There is little noise.
Yes, I think I almost couldn't hear anything.
Yes.
Yes, and good sales, right?
If you have a big factory and you have a lot of workers, yes. You can use this tape while packing, so it can better protect the hearing of your workers.
Yes, it's protective the hearing.
And this one is the crystal clear. Crystal clear, we do one row per thing here. We can see.
This design is very nice, I think.
Yes, you can see from the surface, the crystal clear, the super clear tape, you can see the logo inside. It's crystal clear, very good looking. This one is just the normal one. Of course, this one is more expensive than this one.
Yes, it depends on the market and depends on your inquiry. I think it looks more better, but sometimes the price is very important for anyone.
Yes, for this item, the application is mainly used for cotton sealing and packing, bonding, and anywhere that you may need to pack things. For this tape, our adhesive is water-based acrylic and solvent-based acrylic and hot melt. And our jumbo roll is 1.28 meters times 4,000 meters. And after splitting or rewinding and cutting, we got cut rolls. Very standard one is 48 millimeters times 66 meters. And we have standard thickness as 40, 45, yes. 50, 55, 60, and 65, and even more. So if you have any special requirement, you can leave a message to us. For this item, for all items here, our MOQ is 3,000 US dollar. 3,000 US dollar MOQ. If you are interested in any item, you can leave us a message and our staff will quote you our price.
I have a question, Abby. Talk about the thickness. The thickness, which one do you think is more popular? The last order.
The most popular, yes. It depends on the countries.
Yes.
For some countries, 40 is the most common. But for some countries as Australia and Canada, some others, 50 is more popular.
Yes. So you can choose the right one for you.
Yes. Okay. Next one is the masking tape.
Okay, show you the masking tape. This one is the masking tape. And this one is all the masking tape.
We have different kind of colors.
Yes, the color is beautiful. And I think the white and the peach color is more popular. This one, it's used more common. Right.
Yes.
I think you almost see the masking tape in your store and the supermarket, but do you know how to use it and where to use it? I think I have a question for you now.
Yes.
Have you ever painted something before?
No, I seldom do painting myself,
Yes.
but I can see that some people from other countries they would like to do the painting themselves, to paint a house, to paint a furniture, or to paint the wall themselves.
Yes.
It's kind of interesting.
I think some the TV show and some,
Yes.
will be always show this situation.
Yes, it's very interesting actually.
So it means the first function is when we paint something, paint the wall, paint the house, and paint the furniture, and paint. I think almost the shoes factory must use the painting, and the painting the car. You must be use the masking tape. It's really common to many different industries. We can supply another function for you. Another function is for the car. I know you have a car.
Yes, and I've got problems with painting.
Yes. Are you good driver?
Not very good.
Really? Have you ever fixed it before?
Yes. I've frequently faced with painting.
Many times?
many times.
Okay. When you're painting a car, you must be use the masking tape. It's a really main and important function for you, because the requirement in the workshop will have a different inquiry about temperature. We can supply 60, 80, 100, and 120. Yes, you can see it. Different temperature resistance. Yes. The highest temperature is 120. The highest temperature. Yes.
And because this tape is made of crepit paper, and the adhesive is rubber, so masking tape is very environmental friendly. They will make no harm to the environment. So it's also very popular in some countries.
Today we will discuss about another kinds of the masking tape. This one.
Okay.
Can you see it? Yeah. This one is the blue one. Okay. This is UV resistance masking tape. Do you know where to use it?
UV resistance, so it must be outdoor.
Okay, it's an easy question for you, right?
Yes.
Okay. When we when we painting in the outside, the sunshine is really strong, so we must use the UV resistance masking tape to cover the main part. And if the sunshine on the tape will be not changed, we can supply two kinds of this kinds of tape. One is the 7 days, another is the 14 days. It depends on your choice, and price is different, but the function is different too.
Yes, that means even outside door, when the sun is very strong, the tape performance will not be influenced.
Yes, the masking tape with the UV resistance.
And we have different packing way here.
Yes, I can show this one. I think this one is really good looking. You can see.
This one is 1 row per shrink. This one is 5 rows per shrink. Yes, and you can print your logo. You have labels here and round label here.
Yeah. We can make how many rows in one carton? It depends on you. How many rows in one shrink? It depends on you. and you can give us your idea. We can make it special for you as your inquiry, as your design.
Yes.
Yes. The paper code. This one paper code is white, but we also can make the paper code with your logo and with your different color as your inquiry. It's no problem for us.
For this item, our MOQ is also 3,000 US dollar. It's very little amount for you. So if you are interested, you can leave a message with your specifications and quantity, and our staff will quote you our price.
Yes. Please leave us a message. Your any idea is very important for us.
These are some pictures of the tape and the application of the tape. And next one, we move to the close tape.
Yeah.
Close tape is also frequently used tape when you pack things. But the difference between close tape and the BOPP packing tape is the backing material. For close tape, the backing material is cotton cloth. But for BOPP packing tape, the tape is made of plastic BOPP film. So close tape is more environmental friendly compared to BOPP packing tapes. And we have the silver one, the silver, or we call it gray one, and these black ones are the two most popular colors in the market. And we can also do some other colorful colors as blue, white, pink, many other colors, green, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, etc. based on your requirements.
I think this one is more popular.
Yes, this one is the most popular. And because it's made of cotton cloth, as you can see from the lines of the clothes, there are a lot of meshes here. That's what we call it mesh. The bigger the mesh, the more thick the tape will be. We have meshes as 27, 35, 50, 70 meshes. The bigger the mesh, the more thick the tape will be. And because of the clothes, because of the lines, this tape can be easily torn. You can see, right?
Yes, it's easy to see.
It can be easily torn from even both sides, from one side and the other side. So this make it very convenient when you pack things. This is also another very big difference with the BOPP packing tape. It's environmental friendly and it's easy to tear. So when you pack things, you don't even need a scissor or a knife.
Can by hand.
Yes, it's very convenient.
I think this mesh is just 27 or 35.
Yes, the mesh is the density is low.
Yes.
This one, the density is very dense.
I'm not sure you can see it clearly, but if you're close to it, you can see the mesh.
What's special of our close tape is that our close tape can make thickness up to 300 micron with rubber-based adhesive. So this 300 micron rubber-based
is the most highest.
Yeah, the most thick ones of our quality. Yes. This 300 micron thickness rubber-based close tape is very popular in some countries as Australia and Canada.
Yeah.
That's very special of our close tape. Is not all companies in China can do that. So if we have Australian friends from Australia or from Canada, you can pay more attention to this close tape and leave a message, and our staff will come to quote for you. And these are some application pictures of the close tape.
Yes.
And for close tape, we can also make it some other special kind as cotton cloth, matte surface cloth tape.
Yes, I think this type is used for the stage.
For the stage when there needs no reflection of the light.
I think the USA market is very popular of this kind of type.
Yes, it's used a lot in United States. And next item we come to the protective film.
Yes. This one and this one is protective film. Yes.
We have different colors here.
Yes, we can make different color, but when you put it, you can see it's clear. It's all clear.
Very beautiful.
Yes. It's clear, and the adhesion is this one is lower. We can supply three kinds of adhesion: the lower adhesion, and the medium adhesion, and the high adhesion. The adhesion it depends on your surface. You can cover it on the metal, and you can cover it on some machine, and you can cover it on some glass. I think for the glass, this one is more popular. This one is black and white.
Yes.
Yes. It's cover what kinds of place to cover on the glass?
On the
It's
surface.
side, yes.
On the surface of the glass, and because it's a PE protective film,
Yeah.
and it will make no residue on the surface. That's
yes.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
I think this one, yeah, you can hear the adhesion is different.
We have low adhesion, medium adhesion, and high adhesion.
Yes, it's so different. Yes, we can supply the thickness from 30 micron to 150 micron. The jumbo roll we have three sides. You can see it. Three kinds of the jumbo roll size, and the temperature resistance is 60 degrees. Yes.
This is white and black protective film.
Yes.
And low sticky protective film.
Yes.
And medium stick protective film.
Yes. I think so many customers can send us the sample. We can test it. What's the adhesion? Do you have it? And we can give you a sample. You can go back to test it by yourself. I think you also can show us the surface. The product surface show us. We can give you some advice and find the suitable film for you. I think almost people use the P film will be by machine. Will be quantity is more better.
Okay, another one is very similar to PE protective film is PE stretch film, and this one we use to pack this. The difference is PE stretch film there is no adhesion on the film.
Yes, it's no adhesion.
And we have two kinds, which is hand operation stretch film and machine operation stretch film. Thickness ranges from 18 micron to 50 micron.
Yes, I think by machine will be more better because it be save time.
And here are some pictures of the packing. We use it a lot in the factory when we pack the pallets. These are some pictures of the application that we use ourselves in our factory.
Yes.
Next one is reflective tape. For reflective tape, we have many materials as PVC reflective film, PVC reflective film, PET reflective film, PC reflective film, and acrylic reflective film. These are the acrylic reflective film. Acrylic is the best quality. PVC is the cheapest. So you can choose anything you like from it. Okay.
Yes. The last one is today's last project. Yes, it's the sealing tape. The sealing tape is used for the you can see it's blue and it's no adhesion. You can touch it.
There is no adhesion when you use it actually.
Yes. When you use it, you must make it to the temperature high. It will be closed on the clothes. And so many doctors will be wear the protective clothes. The sealing tape will be mixed on the joint. Even though some wearers couldn't encroach off the clothes. I think this kind of tape is really popular and really new in this situation.
Yes, it's a newly born product in the market during this special time.
Yeah.
It can better save our doctors from the virus. And the carrier is PEVA film. Adhesive is the synthetic rubber. Color is usually blue.
Yes, it's blue is more popular and more common to see.
Yes, if this one is a new product, so if some customers you want to develop new products, you may pay more attention on this product.
Yes, if you have any question, feel free to let us know.
Okay.
Today,
let's make a summary of all the tapes that we share here. We have first one is BOPP packing tape. We can do clear, tan, many colors, and printing tape, and super clear, low noise. And the second one is masking tape. Masking tape for general purpose and for car painting with high temperature resistance.
UV resistance.
And the third one we introduced is close tape. Close tape is also for packing. We have different thickness, different glue as you required. And we can also do painting on the close tape as you required. And for next one is the PE protective film, for also to protect the surface of some materials such as steel, glass, and it will make no residue on the surface where you use it. And next one we introduced is the stretch film that you may use a lot in your factory when you especially pack the pallets. We also use it ourselves. And the next one is the reflective tape.
Yes.
Reflective tape, we have different materials as PC, PVC, PET, and acrylic. We have many different materials. And the acrylic is the best quality. It's mainly used for advertisements board, for the trucks, and for transportation mark alongside the road. And the last one is the ceiling tape. Is a newly born product in the market, mainly used for the protection clothing to better protect our doctors or some special staff from the virus. This one is a very new product in our market, especially during this coronavirus period. So if you want to develop some new products, you may pay more attention to this one. And all the products here, our MOQ is $3,000 for each kind. If you are interested in any of them, you can leave a message to us, and our staff will come to you to quote for you. And I think that's all for today's products. And in the following 9 days, as I said in the beginning, from the following 9 days from today on, we will be here with you for about 50 minutes each day. And if you can place order during this time, we will give you very big discount and free samples.
Yes, it's really good.
You can. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a message to us. And tomorrow we will come back here. We will introduce the
next show. We will be show the many kinds of double-sided tape and PVC tape and aluminum furlough tape.
That's also very important industrial tapes in the market that you may use in a lot of industries.
So please follow us and focus us.
So tomorrow's show will be 1:30 to 2:20 in p.m. in Beijing time. So we will be here for about 50 minutes at 1:30. So we will hope that you will come back here with us. Okay. So for all the friends here, thank you very much for being with us today.
See you next day.
See you. These are our contact information. Maybe you cannot see it very clearly. this WeChat number and WhatsApp number are both okay. If you want to chat, you can add us as friends. So thank you. That's all for today.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.